Alright, we are once more again recording. That last one only went about a minute. It says it's recording. Please leave no trace. We'll just walk around here and take a picture of various things that are happening. I'm wondering if I touch something or why it goes off. Dwarf Photogilla right here. There it is. Checking out here in a minute. Soon we'll see a car come by here, maybe. Yep. Got some coreopsis, looks like looming right over here. Zero in on them, maybe. There we go. Then get the beauty bush. There's some more of it. Beautyberry. Calicarpa americana. What it says. Right here is eastern red cedar. Here's it. We're going off, walking down, right over here is buckeye. Opposite palmately compound leaves. This is red buckeye. It says right here. Got a shout in it. Go down a little farther here. There's the 5 leaflets of it. Picnic table there. Sweet gum, which is a big tree right here, all the way up to there. Tulip poplar. Actually, that was the tulip poplar, I believe. And here's a beech tree right there, just a small one. Actually, yep, looks like that's what it is. We're going up on 3 minutes here. Hearts are busting. Sign there, it's in pretty sad shape. Christmas fern down here. Zero in on the Christmas fern. Here it is growing in the crevice of the rock. And right in the background here is oak leaf hydrangea. For Christmas fern. Right here we have 5 palmately compound leaves of Virginia creeper. Now we're going we're in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Back out to wide angle. But there's a mountain laurel. Going across the bridge. We're upstream from the little stream where I released the tadpoles a while ago. Here it is, meandering down there, sort of on a floodplain. Climbing hydrangea right there. As we go along farther, going along the trail here, just walking, maybe you can hear the cicadas, the katydids. Yes, they're katydids. Going up on 5 minutes. Out in here is a big bed going off the trail of New York fern. New York fern Here, zero in on that a little bit. Tapering fern, some people call it. A little blackberry here. Alright, we're just going to go on. We're at almost 6 minutes. No, 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Walking on up. Looks like Austria there. Sign that says no bicycles. It's still recording. Lady fern. Zeroing in on that. There's some in the sunshine. See if I can pick it up. There it is. I'll back this thing way off. We're going up to over 6 minutes. Oh, here's a big leaf magnolia. Sort of tricky photography there. See how well this thing does on that. Big leaf magnolia, Magnolia macrophylla. Starts off here, goes all the way up there, and right up to the top. Well, that's pretty right there. See if I can zero in on that. Get those big leaves. Oh yeah, very good. Here's what we call alternate arranged leaves. That is ironwood carpanus. It has simple alternate toothed leaves. See how they alternate. Alright, going back down. And this thing's still recording. Up to 7 minutes now. I don't know why it wouldn't do that earlier. When I get back, I'll probably erase all this, or maybe I'll just download them, put it on the YouTube. Going across the bridge again. Look at this sweet gum tree. Seeking the light. See how it's bent, going up trying to find the canopy, and it's done. I'm going to zero in on that. You might see the star-shaped 5-lobed leaves of it. Oh, there they are. Simple alternate. And actually they're two, the lobes are two, so back and back out a bit. These canopy trees seek to take advantage of any space in the canopy where nothing else is growing. Coming up on 8 minutes. Oh, there's a couple of damsel flies. See if I can zero in on them. Oh, they're not going to let me do much. Might be able to see them. I think sneak right over to them. They are flying in tandem, probably reproducing. There's a sign from Mountain Laurel. Calmia latifolia, which in the back over there. Some more Christmas fern. Archibustine, Euonymus americana. It's in sad shape here. And here is, gotta quit now because I got a call coming.